Hey guys, so I'm back on YouTube. It's been almost a year since I put a video on YouTube. Craziness with life and everything in between. I just got back from Scentsy family reunion, and I really want to get back to um, weekly videos, at least once a week, one video a week. So hopefully you'll enjoy this one. But today I'm showing off the Harry Potter Hedwig warmer. It's actually the mini warmer. We had the larger Hedwig warmer, and now they have a mini. So I'm very excited for this. I have almost all of the Harry Potter products. If you, if you don't know, last year, leading up to mine and my husband's trip to Universal Studios for the first, well, it wasn't our first time, but um, it felt like the first time, honestly. But leading up to that trip, I actually read all 7 of the Harry Potter books, listened to them on Audible. I bought the books, and I'm now obsessed. So we went to like a Harry Potter exhibit in Atlanta. We're going to Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, the play on Broadway in New York this fall. So I'm just like Harry Potter obsessed now. I've always loved the movies. I had seen all the movies prior, but reading the books, everybody's correct. Reading the books just makes a difference. So read the books and listen to them on Audible if you're not a reader. I'm not a reader, but I gave it a chance with Audible, and Jim Dale's amazing reading the books on Audible. But anyway, so we have the Harry Potter mini. However, first I really want to show you, so this has been around since last fall, but this is the Harry Potter Wizarding World wax bar, and it is by far my favorite scent that Scentsy has ever released. So I love woods, masculine type scents. We recently, at Scentsy family reunion, we had to wear shirts that kind of had the icon for our favorite scent family. That was definitely woods. It had a big wood plank on it. Looked kind of silly, but I was proud to say that was my favorite. So this is the Wizarding World bar. I'm gonna just kind of do a scent review with you because I've only done this on Facebook and it's been quite a while, so I still love this one so much. So it's musky. It is in like the best way possible. It just smells like such a wonderful manly cologne. Like I usually like to try to think like when it comes to like these bars that are related to like a movie or another company or Disney or anything like that, I like to kind of relate like what would this scent be? What would it like? How would it relate to that character or story? And I feel like it might be like a cologne that Harry might use to impress Cho Chang or Ginny. So I don't know. That's what it makes you think of. But it is certainly my like favorite bar. If you like masculine, more musky scents, you would love it. All right, so finally we have the Hedwig mini warmer. This actually came in while I was at SFR, Scentsy Family Reunion, and with the craziness of getting back and getting kind of resituated and stuff, this is my first time opening it, so I'm doing an unboxing with you. So as we open it, like it has Hedwig on this side. She's so cute, and then this looks like maybe the Marauders map or the Daily Prophet, something like that. It has the picture of like the sorting hat there too, so that's really cute. Excuse me. All right, so we have instructions for our warmer, and I love that this has a black base. So most of them come with a white base, but this one has a black one. And then we have our light bulb. And then, so I screwed in the light bulb, and a lot of people may not know what to do with this piece, but it's essentially like a rubber band to protect your warmer. So it goes, you see the prong looking things here? It just goes around those. And I maybe should have done this before I put the light bulb on, but that's okay. All right. There we It just kind of lays on there. It's pretty easy, simple. And then, oh my goodness, she's so cute. Oh, the detail. Oh my gosh. Look at this. She is so cute. I love this. I love the Hogwarts letter. She's just ready. She's like, I've been to the outpost and I have your letter. And there's a moon on the back, and it will like project, like the shadow of it will project on the wall in the background. Mini warmers I typically like to just have on a high plug, like in the bathroom or kitchen. I typically don't like them on low plugs. So just FYI there. All right, so, and then we just kind of screw this in. Super cute. And this will be really cute for Halloween too. I don't know if we have any minis that are Halloween themed. I have a Jack Skellington one, but I think that's it. So yeah, I absolutely love this. So now I'm going to replace the one in the bathroom and put this one in there. So I'll be right back. Okay, here she is in our bathroom. Sometimes it's nice to do a video versus a picture because you can truly see everything. I like how large her wax dish is. Super cute, little cutie. So obviously that's how you turn it off and on. And I'm gonna turn the lights off. Oh yeah. If you look in the mirror, oh, I don't know if I can get it on camera. Oh yeah, you can see the moon. Like a moon in the background, and it still has a decent amount of light if you're coming in here as like a night light or anything. So very cute. Thank you all so much for watching. As I said, I will have more content coming to you very soon, especially as we have some amazing new products coming this fall. But otherwise, please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or comments or want to let me know your Hogwarts house. Comment down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.